I did, it just started swelling yesterday and it got really bad last night. But kind of looks like I have makeup on now, so you know, maybe I could do one of those beauty pageants. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think I can pull it off. All right, everybody. Today is November 6th, 2020, and as always, welcome back to Southeast South Dakota. So I just got here about half an hour, 45 minutes ago, and Grandpa is doing our fall tillage at the home place now. He's knocked out all of the corn acres over the last week, and he is on to his very last few rounds, so I made it just in time to get some footage. I would have come here earlier, but like I said, he's been going all week, and I've been at college. And the reason he's been going all week is because the weather is supposed to turn bad this weekend, so this is really all I could get up here for. So that's unfortunate, but we're going to make a video out of it, so hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Obviously, I'm not going to be doing any tillage today. I'm just here to film. I've done tillage like one time in my life, so I'm usually not up here for it. But yeah, we'll see how much drone footage we can get and hopefully make a pretty good video out of it. So without further ado, let's get going. done with the field, so that is the end of fall tillage for 2020. Good timing too, because the wind is picking up pretty bad, and that's gonna blow in some crappy weather in the next few days. So this is gonna be the only tillage video I post this fall, but we will have spring tillage to do yet, because what we do around here is we hit the corn stalks with the disc, and wherever we drove in the bean fields with the truck to break it up. We leave the soybean stubble for the spring, where we take out the field cultivator and we hit all the soybean stubble, and then we hit the corn stalks a couple more times, kind of break it down a little more, and then it's ready for planting. But yeah, that's how we do it here. So there will be more tillage videos coming in the spring, but until then, I'm gonna need some filler videos. So on a side note, if anyone in the eastern South Dakota area, or anyone who goes to state and you are doing some field work and you maybe want me to come out and do a drone video, just message me on Instagram and I'll get back to you, because I'm looking for some filler videos for the channel, because the winter is going to be kind of long and I don't have anything else planned, so I'm going to need something to post, otherwise my channel is going to go dead again. But yeah, like I said, get in contact with me and we can talk. So there you have it, guys. That's the end of fall tillage. That's the end of this video. So I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.